A crucial day in the fight against COVID-19. An FDA advisory panel meeting right now and will decide whether or not to recommend emergency authorization for the Pfizer vaccine. If approved, it could arrive in New York within days. CBS 2's Andrea Grymes with the story.
After 10 months of battling the COVID-19 pandemic, we are now potentially just hours away from emergency authorization of the first vaccine, this one from Pfizer.
Today, we will be considering whether to make available to millions of Americans an as-yet investigational vaccine that has been developed, tested, and reviewed in record time.
An FDA advisory committee is meeting virtually all day to hear presentations and then vote later this afternoon on whether to allow Americans 16 years and older to get this two-dose vaccine.
It's non-binding on us, but they will make recommendations to us today after a review, a full review of the data.
The FDA commissioner spoke today on CBS This Morning. The committee experts specialize in vaccine development, infectious diseases, and medical statistics. The FDA is expected to follow their final decision, though it's not required to do so.
We do a very careful line by line review to answer the very important scientific questions. If our career scientists say that the vaccine is safe and effective, I have complete confidence in that decision, and I think the American people should as well.
The FDA commissioner says they're also working very closely with their UK partners who say people with a history of severe allergies should not get the Pfizer vaccine. Meantime, here in New York,
this is the area that we've currently been using for our flu vaccination pods.
Hospitals like the Mount Sinai system are getting ready. Dr. Susan Mashney says frontline workers in the emergency room and ICU will get the first doses. Then, as it becomes available to the general public, she expects lines outside.
We do anticipate that. We're hopeful that instead of having COVID-19 testing pods, we're going to have the vaccination pod.
Pfizer is only the beginning. This FDA advisory committee is expected to meet next week to vote on the Moderna vaccine. Andrea Grymes, CBS 2 News.